Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix an messenger's issue. So the issue which we are facing is that we are unable to use our messenger's video call in background. In simple words, we are unable to use other application while we are on video call with someone on messenger. So we are going to fix this issue, and if you are also having the same, then watch this video till end. Let's start the video without any delay. So along with this issue, we will also see how to enable our background filters on video call. Now let's directly move to the solutions. So first of all, make sure to check for the updates because most of the time it is the only reason why it happens. Now for the second solution, open settings, open application, open messenger and simply force stop the application. Now clear cache, clear all data of messenger application and then simply relaunch it again. Now for the third method, go to settings, open application, open messenger and now scroll down, and here you will see some options, but we have to focus on these two options. So let's talk about the first option, which is appear on top. So this is a permission. When you allow it, the selected application will show things on top of other application, which means the application will be always on top of other application, and this may also interfere with your use of other apps. So always make sure to disable this. Now let's talk about the second option, which is picture in picture. Now this option will allow you to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. Now this option will resolve our issue because it creates a small window and allow you to run the application in background. So simply enable picture in picture and your issue will be resolved. So these were some methods to resolve your both the issues. I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.